Let's continue with practice 14, question 12. So they say the average of 27 minus x, x plus minus 8, and 3x plus 11 is y. What is the average of 2y and 2y plus over 3? So in this case, I'm not worried about looking for x first. I'm going to look for this one first. 2y plus 2y over 3 divided by 2 is the average. So in this case, I'm going to solve it to by over 3 here, and this is 6. So you get 6 over 3y plus 2y over 3. 6 plus 2 is 8y. 3 times 2 is 2 times 3 here. Cancel this, equals 4 over 3y. So technically you're looking for 4 over 3y. Now I'm going to solve this in terms of x. What is y? They said that the average of these 3 equal to y. So 3y is actually equal to sum of these 3. Negative x plus x is cancelled. We have 3x. 27 minus 8 plus 11. 27 plus 11 is 38. 38 minus 8 is 30 plus 30. Y equal to x plus 10 because divided by 3. So 4 over 3y equal to 4 over 3 times this is 4x plus 4d over 3. Answer is D. Okay, in this case we try to look for what you want first before you solve it. Alright, let's go to number 13 and 14. Okay. Can you plan the following study schedule: Monday, Wednesday, Friday 3 hours daily, Tuesday, Thursday 2 hours, Saturday, Sunday 4 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. The average of hours each day. So 3 times 3, so it's 9 days. 2 times 2, 4 hours, not 9 days, 10 hours, 4 hours. 4 times 2 is 8 hours. Total is 12 plus 9, 21 over 7, so it's 3 hours per day. The median of the number of hours planned to study each day. The median. So you arrange them from lowest to looking for numbers of hours. 3, 3, and 4, 4. The median is right in the middle, so it's 3. The same. Yeah, the same actually. Number 15. A violinist practices 1 hour a day from Monday through Friday. How many hours must she practice on Saturday in order to average 2 hours a day for the 6 days period? So, because you want to average of 2 hours a day, so assume that Saturday she also work for 1 hour, but also you need to get average 2 hours, so she starts with 2 hours at least. But Monday to Friday she's missing 1 hour, so she has to plus 5 more hours for her to average out 2 hours a day. But she was 1 hour behind for every other day, for every day, from Monday to Friday. So only Saturday, let's say she started 2 hours, she need to catch up the rest, 1 hour each day, 5 days, 5 times 1 is 5 hours. So she needs to practice 7 hours in order to average out 2 hours a day, for 6 day period. So now, next one. So, Jay's average score 5. So score for first 3 of 4 tests is 85. She wants to raise the point by 2. Average by 2. So you can say the average of 3 tests is 85. She wants to get the average up to 4 tests, up to 87. So just raise it. Test number 4. So because she needs to plus 2 and 3 tests are behind 2 points, she needs to cover the 6 points. So you need to plus 6 more from her intended average. 87 plus 6 is 93 points. Okay, so it's very simple. 85 to 87, 2 points extra. 3 tests behind. 2 times 3 is 6 points. She needs to recover the 6 points from the 87. So 87 plus 6 is 93. Or in other hand, we can look at this on the top. Let's say the first 3 average is 85, so she average out is 85 each. So need to get 87 for 4 test average. So that means she needs to get at least 87. 2 points behind, 2 points behind, 2 points behind. So she needs to cover all these 2 points, which is 2, 4, 6 points. She needs to recover the 6 points from what she missed before. So she has to get 87 at least plus 6 more points, which is 93 in this case. Okay. So technically, I don't need to draw this if you have more than 10. I'm sure you're not going to want to draw it right down, but you might use this method. Multiply the number behind times the number of increase you need, plus up the intended average. Alright, let's look at the next one. Lily received an average of 82 for the first 2 tests, 76 for her third test, and 92 for her fourth test. What grade she must to get an average of 86 for all 5 tests? So in this case, I need to get 86 for 5 tests. So let's say you need to get 86 right now, average. But first 2 you're behind 4 points, so you're behind 8 points right now. You need 8 more points from there. 76. Oh, now you're behind 10 points, so you need 18 points right now. 8 points plus 10. 92. You have 6 extra points, so you don't do extra. You can take away the 6 points from there. So you can take away. You need to have 12 more points actually. So you need to score 98 for last test. So you can just kind of cancel the point you need, or you add up the point you're behind. Right, number 18. George drives first 30 miles of trip at a constant rate of 40 miles per hour. So it means that this is actually average question, because per hour, like average something per something. 40 miles per hour means that 1 hour travel 40 miles. She traveled first 30 miles, 40 miles per hour. Then he drives the remaining 75 miles. So the total traveling is 105 miles. If you look at it, 30 plus 75. But the first 30 miles he traveled 40 miles per hour. The rest of it he traveled 50 miles per hour. The average speed of the entire trip. Average speed rate or speed is equal to total distance he traveled over the total time he spent. Total distance is 30 plus 75, which is 105. And the total time he spent, 30 miles for 40 miles per hour, 1 hour 40 miles. So 30 miles he spent 3/4 of the time. 3/4 of the hour, because I'm using hour because they're talking for average miles per hour. And 50 miles per hour for 75 miles. So 75 miles, 50 miles per hour, 1 hour 50 miles, so 1.5 hours for 60 miles. So plus 3/2 in this case. So I put it down here. So you notice that 105 over common denominator is 4, this turns to 6, 9 over 4. 9 over the bottom means that you multiply by 4 over 9. So you simplify 9 with 3, 35 here. So 35 times 4 over 3, which is 140 over 3. 140 over 3 is the answer. Over 3 miles per hour. Alright, question number 19. They're asking about the average. They're telling you the average of 18 consecutive integers is 534. That's odd integers, 18. So you don't want to write. You don't write down all the box here. So you notice that this is 9 numbers here and these 9 numbers here. This is 534. So I want to find the least number, smallest here. So you assume that this the number 9 number and number 1 number, first and the 9th. This is 533 in this case. The next one is 531, and so on and so on. You can count one by one. But in this case, you notice that from the 9 to 1, you have 8 different numbers here. So you need to do is all you need to do is take 533 minus 2 times 8, which is 16. So your answer should be 517 in this case for the first number, the least. On the other hand, you go to the other side, you plus 2 for each, right? And then 20. The average of a plus b and 7 is 13. Do you want to find the average of a plus 3, b minus 5, and 6? So average of this is a plus b first. 3 minus 5 plus 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Over 3. This is what you want to find. But in this case, you notice that a plus b plus 7 over 3 equal to 13. So 3 times 13 is 39. 39 minus 7 equal to 32. So a plus b is equal to 32. Put this in. 32 plus 4 over 3. This is 36 over 3, which is 9.